Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, the place where we explore the incredible world of mega construction projects. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you: the construction of giant hydroelectric plants and dams in Egypt and China. We will delve into the engineering marvels behind these projects, the challenges faced, and the incredible impact they've had on both nations. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fascinating content. Now, let's get started. Mega construction projects have always captivated our imaginations, and when it comes to harnessing the power of water, Egypt and China have taken the lead. The construction of giant hydroelectric plants and dams is no small feat. These projects showcase engineering prowess and symbolize a nation's commitment to sustainable energy and economic development. Our journey begins in Egypt, where the mighty Nile River has been a lifeblood for centuries. In the 20th century, Egypt embarked on an ambitious project: the construction of the Aswan High Dam. This colossal structure not only tamed the unruly Nile but also brought about transformative changes to the region. Completed in 1970, the Aswan High Dam stands at an impressive 111 meters in height and spans over 3,800 meters in length. The dam's primary purpose was to control flooding, provide water for irrigation, and generate hydroelectric power. The Aswan High Dam presented engineers with a unique set of challenges. The construction site was in a seismically active region, and the dam had to withstand the immense pressure of the Nile's waters. Engineers employed advanced concrete technology, using over 17 times the amount of concrete used in the Great Pyramid of Giza. The dam also features an intricate network of canals and reservoirs, ensuring efficient water distribution for agriculture and serving as a reservoir for the generation of electricity. Now, let's shift our focus to China, where the Yangtze River, the longest river in Asia, flows. China's answer to harnessing the power of this mighty river was the construction of the Three Gorges Dam, a true engineering marvel. Completed in 2012, the Three Gorges Dam is the world's largest hydroelectric power station. Standing at a staggering 181 meters tall and stretching over 2 miles wide, this dam has transformed the landscape of the Yangtze River. Building the Three Gorges Dam came with its own set of challenges. The dam site was prone to earthquakes and landslides, necessitating advanced geological studies and innovative engineering solutions. To withstand the immense pressure of the Yangtze, engineers designed a complex system of locks and spillways. The dam's hydropower capacity is nothing short of astounding, generating enough electricity to power millions of homes. As we marvel at these engineering feats, it's crucial to consider the environmental and societal impact of such mega construction projects. The Aswan High Dam brought agricultural prosperity to Egypt but altered the downstream ecosystems, leading to concerns about the long-term sustainability of the Nile Delta. On the other hand, the Three Gorges Dam has been a source of controversy due to its displacement of communities, impact on aquatic ecosystems, and concerns about safety and sedimentation. Balancing progress with environmental and social considerations is a constant challenge for such projects. In conclusion, the construction of giant hydroelectric plants and dams in Egypt and China represents a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of progress. These projects have not only reshaped landscapes but have also played a pivotal role in shaping the future of their respective nations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Aswan High Dam and the Three Gorges Dam. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on mega construction projects from around the world. Until next time, stay curious.